Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In this video, I'm going to share about the 4 styles of parenting. The first one is authoritarian parent. What happens in this particular category? Parents set certain rules at home but do not reason out why these rules are set. The child's interest is not seen. They are just monitored and not disciplined. They are not able to question or they are not able to ask why these rules are there at home. Punishments are often used just because I said this, you need to do this. This is what the parent responds. Even the parent sometimes is not able to understand why these rules are set. Now, what happens when child grows with these parents? The child becomes more hostile and defiant. He becomes more aggressive. He is not able to manage his own anger because he keeps suppressing his anger. Children tend to save themselves from the punishment, and that's how they turn to be liars. Second comes the authoritative parenting. Certain rules are set at home and explained why one has to follow these rules. The children are well in advance told that you need to follow this, and if you follow, what is going to happen? If you do not follow, what are the consequences you may have to face? So the child is able to reason out why I am told to follow these rules. Children's interests are also considered. Now, what happens when the child grows in these parenting styles? The child is able to react, the child is able to respond, the child feels confident of taking decisions. He becomes extraordinary in his social behavior. He knows how to tackle the problems, how to take risk. These children become more happier and successful in life. That is what the studies have shown. Next comes the permissive parent. The rules are set by parents at home, but they're not enforced. They're not seen to it that the child really follows them or not. The parent feels that the child can learn things by himself when he grows. This is totally wrong. Sometimes maybe we need to focus on cleanliness, like brushing the teeth or keeping the things on their shelves and so on. But what happens if we don't interfere? Kids grown up in these environments are not able to accept any rules or authority in their life. They struggle academically. A lot of problems arise in their life. Self-esteem will be low and they lose their self-confidence. There are also possibilities that the child may be facing some health issues due to having a lot of junk foods. Next comes uninvolved parenting. The parent doesn't know where the child is, what his homework is, what his school says, what his teachers have to say about him. Children brought up in this environment will not be having self-esteem. They also will be lacking behind in their academic performance. They have a very low self-esteem and low rank in happiness as well. So we need to understand the consequence, what happens when we follow these kinds of strategies. So 4 parenting styles, among which authoritative parent becomes the successful parent. I hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends if you like them.